to the east side of the city and made a shelter to sit under. And he sat under a leafy tree and was waiting to see what God was going to do with the city. And the Lord arranged for a leafy plant to grow there, and soon it spread its broad leaves over Jonah's head, shading him from the sun. This eased the discomfort, and Jonah was very grateful for the plant. But God also arranged for a worm. Somebody say a worm.
A worm.
The next morning at dawn, the worm ate through the stem of the plant so that it withered away.
Yes.
And as the sun grew hot, God arranged for a east wind to blow on Jonah. The sun beat down on his head until he grew faint and prayed to God to take his life. Telling God that it would be better for me to be dead. Certainly better than living like this. We all get there sometimes. We will, at some times in our life, find ourselves under a juniper tree, or like Moses sitting by Midian's well. We get there. We get there sometime. Moses' exile was caused by his own hasty and violent reaction. Sometimes we find ourselves in those well because of things that we have done. Maybe we intended for the better. Maybe it wasn't bad intention. Maybe we was thinking of doing something good. Maybe we intended the best, but a combination of our action and our circumstances caused disastrous outcome. Sometimes we don't think before we act. Things happen and we feel that we need to fix it, and we need to fix it right away. So we rush and do things, and at the end it backfires on us. And it costs us to find ourselves in trouble. And that's where Moses found himself in. His exile also was caused by others. Moses looked around to see that no one was watching before he killed the Egyptian. But the story got out. Somebody snitched. Who could have snitched on him? The Hebrew worker, the one that he saved, the very person Moses risked his life to save, had disclosed the incident. Sometimes those who we try to help are too busy trying to help themselves. Hallelujah. Moses took up residence in the desert